we have Yogesh as my pillion for today around Ooty. So like that, we are headed to Doddabetta Peak first, right?
Put on the map. So it's
Okay.
Doddabetta, then the tea factory,
Okay.
then Paikara Falls,
Okay.
then Rose Garden, then Botanical, and then we'll figure out later on what.
Super. It's cold, it's misty. 3 kilometers.
This is the first time I'm a pillion.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the very first time in my life.
It feels different, no?
Check it out, man. It's evening.
Closingla illa open பண்ணுவாங்களா? Oh. So, change in plans. Doddabetta Peak is closed for visitors. We didn't know this. So, no specific reason given. So, we headed to the tea park. I haven't been there. Let's see. At 18 degrees, we are on 2 wheels with no jackets, no shoe. Like we're pushing it to the limits, huh? Finally, luckily the tea park isn't closed like the Doddabetta Peak. It was open. So we are here at Ooty Tea Park. This is my first visit here. It's nice. Kids play stuff, play area. You can see all this around. Got introduced to I made a new friend here in Ooty, like Zostel and Vagaman. So he tagged along, or I tagged along with him, you can say more often. He is new to Ooty. He's walking up straight to me now. Let's see. Let him introduce himself.
Hello.
Yes.
I am Yogesh. We met at Zostel and we have tagged along roaming around Ooty.
Look at that. I don't know if the camera can capture it, but so cool. You want to go down?
Yeah, let's go down and we go there. Then
We go down or we go there first? We go down.
we go down.
Okay. Now we are actually walking into the tea park. So we're done with our tea park visit. Nice misty tea park, and I don't think the mist is going to go anytime soon. Next we're going to tea factory.
Tea factory.
Maintained Department of Horticulture and Plantation Corps. Coimbatore is 85 kilometers this way. Okay. Yeah, now everything is on the way only, no? We'll finish it all on the go. Whoa, it's cold. Obviously. Not feeling cold. Don't ask about it. So hey guys, make sure your pillion wear helmets in Tamil Nadu. We just got fined, warned and then fined, and he said it's an awareness, you have to wear. We had wrong information that only one person is required to wear helmet, so we got fined. It's okay, it's a lesson, not bad. It wasn't a hefty fine. In Bangalore, you know, they charge you about 1k and all. Yeah, so paying 200 is okay, I feel now. And yeah, it wasn't a bribe, I have a challan for it. Nice person, he spoke to me in a nice calm way. You know the best part? I got my pollution certificate just before coming. It had lapsed. I thought it was until 50 bucks. Fine, I don't know here how much. I think they charge 100 bucks here. When the helmet is 200 bucks, I think pollution will be 100 bucks. Yeah, even there also it's expensive. PUC. I thought it was lapsing at around July 30th or something, but July 7th or 8th it had lapsed. So before fueling, I just did all that, a check and all. I'm cautious in that way, not bad. I save a lot of money by following rules, kind of. So, Here we are at the Benchmark Tea Factory and see what's happening. This is the cutting process, what it's called. History of tea. Please pause and read if you're interested. Tea processing in China, black tea processing in India, and this is the manual one. This is the old age one. Black tea and green tea. So basically, we all have heard only about two types. That's the black and the green. So there is something called as oolong tea and white tea as well. So our man Yogesh is going for masala tea now.
It's a milk tea.
That's masala tea, is the regular milk masala tea. How do you feel it? What an expression, man.
Right.
I am not a fan of tea, but
Right. You've never had such tea.
Not no.
wow.
Yeah, this is fine.
What is that?
Right. It's normal tea.
What's up with tea and you? This is normal tea, no? Normal tea.
It's just that
Masala
tea. Nothing else.
Sugar.
Sugar tea. I'm going to buy this.
White tea. I've heard it for the first time.
White is the buds, baby leaf.
Okay.
50 grams, 500 rupees. 50 grams, 500 rupees.
How much in 1 cup? How many grams?
Only 3 numbers of buds enough.
3.
50 grams asking for 5 months. You consume only 1 cup of hot water. Just 3 buds infusing. Same 3 buds you can reuse for cleansing it. So medicinal. No taste. It's like a hot water.
It's medicinal tea.
Heart pumping, sugar level control, diabetics, cancer prevention, cardiovascular, skin allergy.
Okay. So it's made over here or it's from China?
No.
It's tea from the estate they have here.
Okay.
So following the method of Chinese oolong. White is
Oolong is different and white tea is different.
black and green combination.
Oolong. Half dry.
Half dry. Half process.
The Chinese green was oolong.
So, we are done with our tea factory tour, and our man here has done some shopping as well. Okay, he's all happy shopping. He's having a bag in his hand now. I'm having my helmet. So, we finish our tour for Ooty today, I guess. Anything else? I don't think anything is open in the evenings here. Yeah, the market. No, I am not interested in shopping. Now we headed back to Zostel. Yeah, me. So this is Zain. Hi. That was the reception going up to my dorm. The common area, sit out. Okay, there's another rider here. There are 3 people now. This is my bed. Hey guys, it's day 3 now. I just started from Ooty. I'll be heading to Coimbatore via Coonoor, I think I pretty much know my way out of here towards the Coonoor road. So I'll be heading to Coimbatore and there on to Bangalore. The weather is nice. I hope it continues to remain the same. Really nice people. Met about 4-5 people here. I spent almost the entire of yesterday going around with Yogesh, who was from Pune. Very nice guy. Then after we returned to the dorm, we found Anvesha there, who had just checked in, who was also from Bangalore. We had a lot of fun in the evening, late evening. Went out for dinner. It was nice. The experience at Zostel in Ooty. Hoping to make many more visits to other hostels as well, and keep in touch with the new hostelers that I met. Yeah, we can meet anywhere in this world. Just see what happens once the gloves are wet. I was riding with the rain and I think the glove got its first wash. This is not that much, but the left, yeah, really dirty. Excellent view from here. You can see water coming out of the gloves. It was that wet. For the past 2 hours I've just been riding in the rain, so I think we got down somewhere that way. My boots are completely soaked with water. I think you can see the bubbles coming out. My socks is all wet. I just stopped there to stretch and yeah, I got a few pics. All the pics are on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. The link will be here below in the description box. Bangalore 254, Bengaluru. Oh my god. The toll road ends. We're at the border crossing and it's crowded. Oh my god. No ways. It's like, okay, it's some fight over here they're having. No, not fight also. I don't know why they're all parked here. We reached the outskirts of Bangalore.